Children, today learn about our body parts. I have two eyes. Two. I have one mouth. One. I have one mouth. I have two ears. Two ears. I have two ears. I have 10 fingers. 10 fingers. I have two legs. Two legs. I have two legs. I have two arms. Two arms. I have two arms. I have 10 toes. 10 toes. I have 10 toes. I have one nose. One nose. I have one nose.